Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to open a PayPal account in Malaysia. For that, first of all, you will have to open your web browser and you will have to type this URL in the search bar. I will also put the link of this URL down in the description. This is basically a page where you can find in which countries PayPal is available. So here, first of all, we need to understand whether it is available in Malaysia or not. So among these countries, you will have to just try to find Malaysia. If this thing feels very hectic for you, you can just simply press Ctrl plus F on your keyboard and there you can type Malaysia. After that, you will have to press enter and you will find Malaysia in this list. If you are able to find it, you will have to simply click on it and it will redirect you on the home page of PayPal. Over here, click on this sign up button and then select whether you want to open a personal account or a business account. So most of you would likely to be opened your personal account. So click on personal and get started. After that, select your region again and then click on the get started option again. On the next page, you will have to simply provide some of your details like your first name, your email address. You need to create a strong password for your account and link your bank card as well. So you will have to provide all of these simple details in order to create your account on PayPal in Malaysia. If this video helped you out, give it a like and subscribe to the channel. Thank you so much for watching.